Today, we count down the top 10 crypto exchanges with the most users. Some of these names you'll know instantly, others might surprise you, and the few have grown so quietly that they became giants without anyone noticing. Let's start from the bottom and work our way up to number 1, the exchange with the biggest user base on Earth. Starting off the list is Bullish, a platform that feels less like a retail exchange and more like a high-end financial institution. Unlike the everyday trading apps you might know, Bullish was built specifically to attract institutional traders, the big money, the hedge funds, the whales. This exchange raised a massive $1.1 billion during its IPO in August 2025, giving it a valuation of more than $5 billion. Rather than trying to sign up millions of retail users, Bullish focuses on liquidity, compliance, and deep partnerships, including a major collaboration with Deutsche Bank. It's small in user count, but powerful where it matters most: volume, stability, and institutional trust. Next is HTX, better known as Huobi. This exchange has been around forever in crypto terms and built its name in Asia long before many competitors even launched. Regularly logging over 5 million weekly visits and often appearing in the top 10 by trading volume worldwide, it supports more than 45 different fiat currencies, making it one of the most globally accessible exchanges on this list. Even though it has faced competition and regulatory pressure throughout these years, HTX has managed to stay relevant because of its deep roots, loyal user base, and extremely wide token support. Sliding into the 8th spot is MEXC Global, the exchange every altcoin hunter knows. If there's a new coin trending, chances are it hits MEXC before it hits any major platform. With over 1,900 listed coins and nearly 3,000 markets, this exchange is basically the Wild West of crypto trading, and users love it for that. MEXC gets around 5 million weekly visits, and its aggressive listing strategy makes it a hotspot for early-stage investments. If you've ever heard stories of people finding a gem before it hit the big exchanges, there's a good chance they were using MEXC. Coming in next is Bitget, which is designed on the idea of making trading easier for all. It instantly made headlines with an advanced copy trading system that allowed users to mirror the trades of successful pros automatically. It's one of the largest social trading platforms in the world, and that feature alone helped it explode in popularity. More than 4 million weekly visits come through Bitget now, and the platform has become a go-to place for new traders who want guidance, as well as pros who want more visibility. Coming in 6th place is OKX, a well-rounded balance of power, speed, and innovation. For traders, it's one of the most liquid exchanges on the market, which means substantial orders can be placed with minimal slippage, a big deal for large value trades. OKX isn't just a trading platform either. It's built a massive Web3 ecosystem, including one of the most popular self-custody wallets in the world. This combination of centralized trading and decentralized tools makes OKX a go-to for advanced traders and Web3 users alike. Next is Bybit, one of the fastest growing exchanges on the planet. Bybit carved out its niche by focusing on derivatives, low fees, and high-speed performance. In recent years, it's expanded aggressively into spot trading, growing far faster than many US-based exchanges. It averages around 3.5 million weekly visits and has become famous for its global trading competitions and extremely active community. For many users, Bybit feels like the home of high-energy traders who want fast execution and high rewards. 4th place goes to Bitrue, and this one surprises a lot of people. Bitrue has become a massive platform, especially among the XRP community. A September 2025 update confirmed that Bitrue now has 40 million users worldwide. That's a stunning number for an exchange many casual traders haven't heard of. It's also one of the biggest places for XRP volume, regularly clearing hundreds of millions of dollars in daily XRP trades. Its Power Piggy staking program is also wildly popular, offering solid yields and attracting a huge portion of its user base into long-term staking. Coming in third place is Crypto.com, an exchange that became a household name due to one very simple strategy: go big on branding. Stadiums, arenas, sponsorships, they invested billions into making their name visible everywhere, and it paid off. Crypto.com has more than 100 million users today worldwide. Their crypto debit cards allowed everyday people to spend digital assets just like cash, which helped them push into the mainstream faster than almost any other exchange on this list. Coming in second is Coinbase, the most trusted name in the US, and the only crypto company to have made it onto the S&P 500. With over 110 million verified users, Coinbase has become the entry point for millions of beginners thanks to its simplicity, security, and regulatory compliance. Though the trading volume isn't as huge as that of the world's leader, Coinbase still remains the go-to for institutions in the United States, and its liquidity score ranks among the highest in the industry. It's basically the safe haven exchange that people trust when markets get rough. And finally, at number 1, the king of all crypto exchanges, Binance. No platform even comes close to the scale Binance operates at. It dominates global volume, often processing more trades in a single day than several competitors combined. It receives more than 19 million weekly visitors and generates nearly $17 billion in revenue in 2024 alone. Binance isn't just an exchange, it's an entire ecosystem. Between Launchpad, Binance NFT, and the BNB Smart Chain, the platform funnels users into every corner of the crypto economy. It's the most active, the most liquid, and the most widely used exchange in the world, by a massive margin. All 10 exchanges make one thing clear: crypto adoption isn't just about having a great app. It's about liquidity, trust, accessibility, and brand power. Some exchanges, like Bullish, succeed by focusing on institutions. Others, like Bitrue and MEXC, win over specific communities. But the giants at the top, Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, built their empires by becoming the most recognizable and user-friendly platforms on Earth. And with the rise in crypto adoption, this gap between these giants and everyone else only gets bigger. The exchanges that master trust, speed, and global reach will continue shaping the future of this industry.